The ironic annihilation of the Altar of Destruction proved to be a vital strike at the Dark Legion, for the ancient heart was the source of the power that bound the dark races together. With that power gone, they have scattered, leaderless and confused. The Dark Legion is no more. You see, Rick Blood disappeared after the battle, and some even say he died in the Great Explosion. Likuku and Richter did manage to rally part of their troops and retreated into Hexter. Curian and the Allied army pursued the remaining force of the Dark Legion back into Hexter and were, for all purposes, victorious. Seeing the dark threat gone, the elves and dwarves chose to return to their home countries. I went back to my humble tower, and my old friend Keitha left to search for signs of Rick Blood. Curian returned to Azilla, and since King Gurno had no successor, on that day, Curian was crowned king. Oh, a very great day indeed. Of course, his first duty was to avenge the murder of King Gurno. After a few rather unsuccessful attempts at negotiation, King Curian sent an ultimatum to the priest-king of Ecclesia. Surrender the assassin of King Gurno, or suffer the immediate consequences. With no compliance, the negotiations were broken. As it so often is with humans, war seems inevitable.
Your Majesty, the Ecclesian army is holding up in the fort near the mountain pass to the southwest.
And their army's strength?
They are many, mainly composed of warriors and archers.
Is there any other army nearby?
Reinforcement is seen somewhere to the northwest, and they should be arriving soon.
Then, let us capture the fort before their reinforcement arrives. Attack!
What can I do? Just give me the job.
More gold required.
How may I serve
obey.
you?
What can I do for you? I'll take care of it now.
The flow of mana.
What can I do for you?
At once.
I am here. I obey.
Feel the power.
I'm ready.
What can I do for you?
Move!
I am here. Your wish is my command.
Leave it to me.
What is your wish? I'll take care of it now.
We are
What
under
can I do
attack.
for you?
The flow of mana at once.
What can I do for you?
I'll do it. Leave it to me. I'll handle it.
Our army is under attack.
What can I do for you? What can I do? Give me the job. What can I do for you?
I'll do it.
What
Leave it
can
to
I
me.
do for you?
Fight! Let's go.
Protect the villagers.
What can I do for you?
I'll do it. I'll do it.
Protect the villagers.
Let's go.
What can I do for you?
Follow me. I'll do it. I'll do it.
What can I do for you?
Here I come.
Yes. Yes. That. I'll do it.
What can I do for you?
I'll do it. Leave it to me. Fight. I'll do it. Yes. Leave it to me. Death to the I'll do it. Yes. Death to the orcs. Yes. Leave it to me. Follow me.
If I just
only
give me the
had a
job.
pickaxe.
We are under attack.
All right. Protect the
I'll do it.
villagers.
Leave it to me. I'll handle it.
What can I do for you?
Protect the villagers. Fine. Feel my wrath.
Protect the villagers. Taste my steel! Taste my steel! What can I do for you? If I only had a pickaxe. If I only had a pickaxe. What can I do for you? What can I do for you? If I only had a pickaxe.
What is it? Leave it to me.
All right, fine.
Let's go. I'll handle it.
Yes, my lord. Charge!
I'll handle it. Follow me.
We are under attack.
Yes, my lord. I am here.
What is your wish?
We are under attack.
What is your wish?
Let's go.
I'll do it.
We are under attack.
Let's go. Back to the orcs. Yes.
Our
Follow
army
me.
is under attack. We are under attack.
Yes. Leave it to me. Leave it to me. Leave it to me.
Here I come.
Let's go. I'll handle it.
Seems like we're a bit late. Anyway, kill them all!
Sire, it's William Demetric.
That explains everything. That traitor.
Well met, Curian. Nice to see you again. Die!
Let's go. Come with me. Leave it to me. I'll handle it.
Our army is under
If
attack.
I only had a pickaxe.
Yes. Fight. Yes. I'll do it. Leave it to me. Come with me.
Harvest more mana.
How may I serve
Only
you?
had a pickaxe.
We can't build there.
Yes. Come with me.
Harvest more mana.
If I only had a pickaxe.
How may I serve you?
I'll do it. Come with me.
Here I come.
Let's go. Yes.
How may I serve you?
Come with me.
What is your wish? I'll take care of it now.
Let's leave it to me.
I'd like to serve by the will of Amos. Yes, my child. Reveal your will of Amos. Have faith, my child.
All right.
I'll do it.
How may I serve
What
you?
can I do for you?
Yes, my child.
I'll do it.
All right. Fine.
Yes, my child. Yes, my child. Have faith, my child. I'd like to
Here
serve.
I come.
Yes.
If I only had a pickaxe.
How may I serve you?
If I only had a pickaxe.
How may I serve you?
I obey. Burn!
More gold required.
By the
will
will of
serve.
Amos.
All right.
Yes.
Protect the village. Ready.
What can I do for you?
Here I come. All right.
Let's go.
I'm ready.
What is your wish? What can I do for you?
Reveal your
Here
will.
I come. I'm ready.
Yes, my child.
We are under attack.
How may I serve you?
Arrows away!
We are under attack.
I'm ready. Protect the
Reveal
villagers.
your will.
Here I come.
We are under
Let's
attack.
go.
I'm here.
I'm ready.
Fire!
Sure.
All right.
Yes, my child. Have faith, my child.
Here I come. Fine.
I'll do it.
If I only had a pickaxe.
I'm ready. Yes. Move, move, move!
How may I serve you?
I'll do it. Come with me.
What is it?
I await
Here
your
I go! I'm ready.
I'll do it.
If I only had a pickaxe. What is your wish? What is your wish?
We can't build there. More gold required. We are under attack.
Yes?
How may I serve you?
I'll do it. After him. Don't let Demetric escape. I'll do it. Fight!
Protect the village.
Our army is under attack.
If I only had a pickaxe.
How may I serve you?
What is your wish? Just give me the job.
Let's go. Fight! Follow me. Fight! Follow me. Follow me.
How may I serve
I'll
you?
do it.
What can I do for you? What can I do? Just give me the job. What is your wish? I'll take care of it now.
I'll do it.
How may I serve you?
Let's go. Follow me.
Protect the villagers.
Let's
I am here.
Fire!
We are under attack.
What can I do for you? What is your wish? What can I
How
do
may
for
I
you?
serve you? I await you.
Arrows! Away!
Our army is under attack.
How may I serve you? I obey. I await. Yes, I am here. Sure. How may I serve you? I obey. I am here. Yes, I am here. I obey.
What is your
How
wish?
may I serve you? I obey.
If I only had a give me the job. If I only had give a me the job.
I'll do it. Follow me. Come with me. I'll do it.
Our army is under attack.
What can I do for you?
We are under attack.
If I only had a I'll take care of it now.
How may I
What
serve
can
you?
I do for you? What is your wish? If I'll take care of it now. Had a pickaxe.
Let's go. I'll handle it. I'll handle it.
Yes, my child.
How may I serve you?
If I only had a pickaxe. I'll take care of it now. What can I do for you? What is your wish?
I am here. I await you. How may I serve you?
What can I do for you?
Let's go. Come with me.
How may I serve you? I am here.
Yes. I'll do it.
Protect the villagers.
I'll
split
I'll do it. Come with me.
I await you. Obey. How may I serve you?
What is your wish? Just give me the job. What can I do for you? Now. If I only had a pickaxe.
I await you. I obey. I am here. Yes. I am here. Sure. I await you. Obey. How may I serve you? Sure. How may I serve you? Yes. I am here. I obey. I await you. Yes. How may I serve you?
If I'll take care of it now. Had a pickaxe.
More gold required.
How may I serve you?
I'll do it.
All right.
What is
How
your
may
wish?
I
Just
serve
give
you?
me the job.
Yes, my child.
If I only had a pickaxe. What is your wish? I'll take care of it now.
How may I serve you?
We are under attack.
I await you.
I'll do it.
What can I do for you?
Let's go.
If I take care of it now. Had a pickaxe.
All right. My
What
How
can
may I
do for
serve you?
What is your wish? I'll take care of it now.
All right. Fine. Feel my
Yes.
What
wrath.
can I do for you?
I await you. Sure. I am here. Yes, I await you.
Reveal your will.
What is your wish? Give me the job. What is your wish? Take care of it now.
We are under attack.
I am here.
Fire!
Yes. Come with me. Fight. Follow me.
I am here.
Fire!
I am here.
Fire!
I am here.
Arrows!
We are under attack.
Away!
Yes. I'll handle it.
What is your wish?
We can't build there. Our army is under attack.
Yes. I'll handle it. I'll handle it.
I await you. Sure. I await you. Sure. I await you. Sure.
Protect the villagers.
Yes. Follow me.
What can I do? Just give me the job.
I am here. Yes. How may I serve you? Yes.
What can I do for you?
Protect the villagers. Aye.
What is your wish? Give me the job. What can I do for you? Just give me the job.
I am here. How may I serve you? I obey. I await you.
What can I do for you? What can I do for you? What can I do for you?
Let's go. Leave it to me.
What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Give me the job. What is your wish?
How may I serve you?
What can I do for you?
I am here. Yes. I await you. I obey.
What can I do for you? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? Just give me the job.
How may I serve you?
What is your wish? I'll take care of it now. What can I do for you?
Yes.
All right.
Yes. I'll handle it.
What can I do for you? Just give me the job.
Protect the villagers.
Let's go.
What can I do for you? If I only had a pickaxe.
How may I serve you? Yes.
If I only had a pickaxe. What can I do for you?
I await you. Sure. How may I serve you?
Our army is under attack.
Let's go.
What can I do for you?
I'm here. I obey.
Away!
I'll handle it.
I await
What can
you.
I do for you? What can I do? Give me the job.
How may I serve you? I await you. Sure.
What can I do for you?
Yes.
What is your wish? Take care of it now. What is your wish?
I await you. Sure.
What can I do for you? If I just only give me had the job. A pickaxe. What can I do? Give me the job.
I await you. Yes. I await you. I obey.
If I'll take care of it now. Had a pickaxe. If I only just had give me the pickaxe. Job.
How may I serve you? Sure.
Let's go. Let's go. Follow me. I'll handle it.
How may I serve you?
Reveal your
Our
will.
army is under
It was
attack.
foretold.
Let's go.
I am here. Sure.
What is your wish? I'll take care of it now.
I'll handle it.
Our army is under attack.
Let's go.
I'm ready. Let's go. Trust my blade.
Let's
Come
go.
with
me.
Yes, by the will of Amos. Have faith, my child.
I'm ready.
Let's leave it to me.
Our army is under attack.
What can I give me the job? What is your wish? Give me the job.
I'm ready.
If I'll take care of it now. Had a pickaxe.
I'm ready.
If I just only give me the job. Pickaxe.
I'm ready.
Let's go.
I'm ready.
We are under attack.
Let's go.
How may I serve you?
Yes? I'm ready.
We are
I'm
under
ready.
attack.
Trust my blade.
What is your wish? Give me the job. If I only had a pickaxe. What can I do for you? I'll take care of it now.
How may I serve you?
I'm ready.
If I only had I'll take care of it now.
Let's go. Leave it
How
to
may
me.
I serve you?
Yes.
Our army is under attack.
What can I take care of it now? What is your wish?
How may I serve you?
We are under attack.
How may I serve you?
I'll do it. I'll handle it. I'll do it.
Our army is under attack.
What can I do of it now?
We are under attack.
What can I do for you? Just give me the job.
How may I serve you?
Let's go. Leave it to me.
I await you.
I obey.
Let's go. I'll handle it.
What can I do? Give me the job. Just give me the job. A pickaxe.
I am here.
Yes.
I'm ready.
I am here.
I'll do it.
Yes?
I await
Here
you.
I go.
Our army is under attack.
What can I give me the job? What is your wish? Give me the job.
Let's go.
Let's go.
What can I do for you?
Give me the job. Give me the job.
Let's go. What is it?
I await you.
Fight!
We are under attack.
Yes? Let's go. I'm ready.
Let's go!
William Demetric, you can't escape.
You'll never get me alive, Curian.
Demetric, it was you that assassinated King Gernot. Spill it out!
King Priest has always been a secret supporter of our family. If it wasn't for Gernot, I would not have had to escape Azila. I praise God that he came to Ecclesia.
So it is really you.
I figured that after I assassinated Gernot, the King Priest would have no choice but to support me. And it worked out just as I had planned. And you, King Curian, I will kill you too. After you are dead, I will be crowned King of Azila.
Killing me will be harder than you suppose. You pig! For I don't intend to let you sneak up behind me like the coward you are. I will look into your frightened eyes as I shed your traitorous blood.
All right.
Protect the villagers.
Yes, my child.
Here I come.
Our army is under attack.
How may I serve you?
Fire!
Yes, my child.
We are under attack.
What is your wish? Give me the job.
I await you.
Fire!
I'll do it. Death! To the orc!
How may I
Let's
serve
go.
you? I am here.
Oh, follow me!
Away!
Yes, my child.
What is it?
I am here.
Away!
I'll do it. Let's go! Follow me!
Yes?
Yes, my child.
I am here.
Fire!
All right.
What is it?
Here I come. I'll split their skulls.
Our army
Reveal
is under
your will.
attack.
I'm ready. What is it? Let's go!
We are under attack.
I await you.
Let's go! Follow me!
Here I come. I'll split their skulls.
Yes, my child.
I'll do it.
We are under attack. We are under attack.
What is your wish? What is your wish? Just give me the job.
Let's go!
Our army is under attack.
Leave it to me! Follow me! Death to the orcs!
I'm ready.
I'll do it. Leave it to me! Follow me! Fight!
I'm ready.
Leave it to me!
Reveal your will. Have faith, my child. By the will of Amos. Have faith, my child.
I'll do it. Leave it to me.
What is your wish?
I'm ready.
If I only
I'll take care of it now. What is your wish? I'll take care of it now. What can I do for you? What is your wish?
I'm ready.
Yes. Let's go. I'll handle it.
Yes?
Yes, my child.
If I only had a pickaxe.
How may I serve you? How may I serve you?
What is it? Leave it to me.
Yes, my child. Have faith, my child.
Let's go. Come with me. Yes.
Yes?
How may I serve you?
Let's go. Leave it to me.
Reveal your
I'll
will,
do
my
it.
child.
I'll handle it.
Yes? All right. Yes? Yes?
How may I serve
go.
you?
Repent, sinners!
Yes?
Reveal your will. Amos, be merciful.
Let's go. Leave it
Yes,
to me.
my was foretold.
I'll do it. Come with me.
How may I serve you?
All right.
Yes, my child.
I am here.
What can I do for you?
I'll do it.
Our army is under attack.
What is it?
I am
Yes,
here.
my child.
Yes? Move.
I like was foretold.
Leave it to me.
What is it? Die!
I'll do it. Follow me.
I'd like to serve.
We are under attack.
Yes? I'm ready. Trust my...
It
am
was
here.
Come
foretold.
with me.
How may I serve you? Sure. Yes.
What is it? Trust
How may I
my-
serve you? Yes.
Let's go.
Yes, my
I'll do it.
child.
Leave it to me.
Yes, my
By
child.
the will of Amos.
Here I come.
I am here.
We are under attack.
What is it?
How may I serve you? Yes.
Let's go. I'll handle it.
It was foretold.
I'm ready. Leave it
I
to
await
me.
you. I
I'll do
obey.
it. Leave it to me.
Reveal your
By the
will.
will of Amos.
I am here. Yes, my lord.
Let's go. I'm ready.
I am here. I await you.
Yes? Move, move, move!
I am here. Sure.
I am here. I am here. Consider it done. I am here.
I'd like to serve.
I am here. Yes,
Let's
my
go.
lord.
I await
We
you.
are under attack.
What is your wish? Take care of it now. What is your wish? Give me the job. If I only had take care of pickaxe.
Yes, my lord.
We are under attack.
Let's go.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my
yes,
child.
my lord. Consider it. I am your here. Your wish is my command. Yes, my lord.
I'd like
Yes,
to serve.
my
Reveal your will.
I'll do it.
What is it?
I am here. I
What
obey.
is it? Leave it to
I
me.
am here.
What is it? Guys! God, leave it to
I am
me.
here. Sure.
Yes, your wish is my
Reveal
command.
your
Let's
will.
go.
Yes? Move, move, move! Leave it to me. Let's go. Leave it to me. Yes?
How may I serve you?
I'd like to be merciful.
Yes? Trust
I am
mine.
here. Sure.
Your wish
I'd
is
like
my
to serve.
command.
I await you. Burn!
Yes, my lord.
Reveal your
Yes.
will.
Yes, my lord.
Let's go. Here I go!
Consider it.
What is it?
I await you. Yes.
Your wish
I'd
is
like
my
to
command.
faith,
Let's go.
my child.
Dad, to the orcs.
Yes? Trust
I
mine.
await. I obey.
Consider it.
I'd like to serve.
Our army is under
By
attack.
the will of Amos.
Here I come.
I'd like to serve.
How may I
Yes,
serve you?
consider it.
Yes.
What is it? Guys!
I await you. Sure.
I am here. Consider it.
Repent,
Go.
sinners!
To the orcs.
Our army is under attack. More mana required.
What can I do for you?
Yes?
Our army is under attack.
If I just only give me the job. Pickaxe.
What is it? Leave it to
I
me.
am your wish is my command.
I
Was
await you.
foretold.
Sure.
Let's go. Leave it to me.
If just I only the job. A pickaxe.
What is it? Leave it
I
to
await
me.
you. Yes.
Yes, my lord. Consider it.
I'd like to serve. It was foretold.
Let's go. I'll handle it.
What is it? Leave it to me.
What is your wish? Give me the job. What can I do for you?
Yes? Let's go. Move,
I await.
I
Yes.
am here is my
Was
Leave it to
command.
me.
Let's go. What is it?
Reveal your will.
No mana required. We are under attack.
What is your wish?
Our army is under attack.
I'm ready.
I await you.
I am here.
Let's go.
Our army is under attack.
Yes, my lord.
Let's go.
I'm ready. Ah! Lord, William Demetric is dead.
A better death than he deserved. Leave his body there. Let the carrion feast today.
I'm ready.
Let's go. Dad, do the orc.
I'll do it.
I'm ready.
Mission complete.
After killing with